going to put in my username and password and log in so that you can see what the workspace looks like when creating your own mind maps. So let me go to sign in. This is the bubbl editor, and when it opens, you will see your recent work, and your options are to start brainstorming or import a mind map that you've already worked on or someone else has. We're going to start brainstorming. Each time you start a new mind map, you will see a bubble in the center of your screen like this one, and you're going to click on the bubble's text to edit. You'll also see when you hover over a bubble that you have several options. You can change the color of the bubble. You can change the color of the text. You can also connect this bubble to another, attach an image or a file. You can delete it, and you can also use this to move the bubble around. Let's say I want to do a brainstorm about the parts of speech. I'm going to type in parts of speech into the main bubble. And then I can make any changes that I need to. But when I'm ready to attach a new bubble, all I have to do is click on this button here, or I can hold down Command and Enter. I'm going to click the button, and you can see my new bubble is created. And I'm going to call it nouns. I can repeat this process over and over to make the mind map on parts of speech. I could add verbs, prepositions, and so on until I had all the parts of speech listed. If you come over here on the right side, you can see a list of all my saved mind maps. And I'm going to click on the parts of speech to show you the example that I've already created. Here it is. It's very simple, but it gives you a neat and organized visual of the parts of speech, the definitions and examples. If you wanted to save a mind map, once you've finished, you're going to click on the Save button in the upper right-hand corner. Click, and it saves it over here to your Mind Maps box. You can also share your work via Facebook, Google, Twitter, or email. You just need to open a mind map and then click on the Share button on the toolbar, which is right here. You also see options like Print and Export, Import. We're going to share. This box appears, and you can click Copy the URL if you want to share it yourself. Or you can choose to email the link. You can add up to 20 email addresses here and accompany it with a message and send it to your friends or coworkers or students. If you'd rather save it as an image, you just click Export up here on the toolbar. This box will open, and then you have a choice. You can choose to save your mind map as a JPEG file or as a PNG image. They recommend JPEG for email and web pages and PNG for Word documents. So once you've made your choice, you just hit Export. And you will see right here, your image will show up, and you can save it to your computer or share it however you would like. Those are the basics of how to use bubbl. There are certainly more options that you can play around with that are available to you with the different subscriptions. And I just think there are countless ways that you could use this in your classroom. I think that kids would enjoy it. So I hope you'll enjoy, or I hope you'll consider giving bubbl a try.